Hey everyone, quick update for the week ending Friday, May 22nd. Hope everybody had a good week. Quick look at the markets and then we'll jump into my trades for the week. The S&P didn't quite get back up to all-time highs, but up for the week. Same with the NASDAQ, not quite to all-time highs. Russell getting close as well. And the Dow did hit a new all-time high. On the futures, it hit 50,920. Gold and silver pretty sideways on the week after a little bit of a down move last week. The 10-year yield started off, it had a big spike last week and then popped up again on Tuesday before selling off Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, ending at 4.55. Not too much action out of oil as far as where it started and ended, but up early in the week, down later in the week. Natural gas down 3% today, and a little bit lower on the week. The euro and the pound both continuing to fall, so U.S. dollar getting stronger compared to those two. And Bitcoin down 2.5% today and lower for the week. Futures settling in at 75,760. As far as my trades for the week, small red down a little under 2,000 on the week overall. My biggest culprit, big issue with the British iron condors, had my worst day ever on Monday, which I know I talked to a lot of people who kind of were in the similar boat. I got, call it lucky, I didn't have nearly the slippage that some people did, but just an absolute disaster of a day. I did 12 tranches. 11 of those were double stop. I had one lone surviving put side that survived. Worst day ever on my BIX, minus 17K just on Monday. Minus 21 for the week. So May has not been a good month. In fact, I've had double stops every single day in May, except for the first, and I had all one-sided stops on the first. So May just not treating us well on the old British iron condors. Mahomes down about 2K, had one big loser on yesterday, and so minus 2K on those overall. Transformer 1 DTEs, I'll talk about that in my OTA report. No calendars. The wheel portfolio, I didn't do any adjustments this week, but that portfolio is up now 3.75% year to date. On my other category, did a couple of earnings trades, one in Home Depot and one in NVIDIA, 658 on those two trades. And then had a nice week of directional day trading, 12,489. So let's go there first. On my day trades, you can see my largest trade was over 5,900. Largest loser, minus 2,800. If I go to the... Let's see, I'll go to the day view. So Monday was a small scratch day. Tuesday, really nice day, plus 6,900. Wednesday, another nice day, plus 4,300. Thursday, kind of a scratch. And then today, Friday, a little over 1,100 on my day trade. So nice week of day trading. On my transformers, a little over 7,500. You can see I had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 1 DTE iron condors, just one loser of 350 out of those 4. And then the rest are DC time machine. So small winner, loser, small loser, $3,500 winner, $2,700 winner, and then a couple other small winners. So plus 7,553 across all of those. And then as far as next week, don't forget, Monday, the markets are closed. Tuesday, not a lot. Wednesday, not a lot going on as far as scheduled reports. Thursday, we have core PCE and GDP before the markets open, and then not much on Friday. As far as earnings next week, we've got PDD before the open, SNPS after the close Wednesday, along with Snowflake and Salesforce, and then Thursday after the close, MDB and Costco. So earnings season kind of winding down, but that's my week. Everybody have a good long weekend. We'll be back at it on Tuesday. Be safe on Memorial Day. Talk to you soon.